Welcome, guys. Through today's video, we'll try to understand the various operations by which you can remove dictionary items. Remove dictionary items. Now, when I'm talking about removing dictionary items in Python, it refers to deleting key value pairs. Yeah, it refers to deleting key value pairs from an existing dictionary. Now, dictionaries are mutable data structures. We know that. Yeah. Removing items from a dictionary allows you to eliminate unnecessary items while doing the data analysis. Okay. Now, this thereby reduces the size of a particular data frame or the database that we are trying to analyze. Now, there are various ways in which you can delete items from dictionary. We have seen various methods earlier. We'll try to reiterate those by giving some examples for each so that you understand all the operations which are required to delete a dictionary item. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Okay. So the first way in which you can delete items from dictionary is through using del keyword. Yeah. So let me just format it a bit. So using del keyword. We know that del keyword in Python is used to delete objects. In the context of dictionary, it is used to remove an item or a slice of items. We can remove dictionary items using del keyword by specifying key of that item, which we want to remove. This will delete the key value pair associated with the specified key. Okay, let's try to get an example, quick example of del of del operations. Yeah. So we have this original dictionary. We said 1, 2, 3, and I'm trying to delete this item that is which has a key as A. So it will delete the entire key value pair and we'll get the new dictionary, which is just with the items B and C. Let it run for a while. Yeah, you can see I can delete a key value pair. But if I try to, if we try to delete the entire dictionary, you will not be able to find it. Yeah. So how it is? So if I suppose I use the same example, but instead of deleting just the key, a specific key, I delete the entire dictionary. Yeah. And if I try to find that dictionary, it will give me an error. See this? My dict is not found because I have deleted the entire dictionary. Okay. So you need to remember that if you specify the key, it will delete only the specific key. But if you just specify the dictionary, it will delete the entire dictionary. Okay. So this is how you can remove items from a dictionary using the del keyword. Yeah. Let's try to see how you can remove item from a dictionary using pop method. Yeah? You can take the details of this method from my previous video. So what, just to give you an explanation, what pop method does in Python is used to remove a specified key from a dictionary and return the corresponding value. If the specified key is not found, it can optionally return a default value instead of giving a key error. So if a particular key is not found, then it will not give you an error, but it will show you that that particular key has a default value which can be used. Yeah. So let me show you an example. So suppose pop method. Yeah. So suppose I have this dictionary, my take A, B, and C. Yeah. Now what I'm doing is I'm trying to pop this item A. Yeah. And again, we'll check the pop value as well, because pop gives you back the value of the item that has been popped. So since I have popped the key item with the key as A, it will give me the value as 1 in the pop value. So let me just get this as well. Okay. So popped value of the key is stored in pop value. So you can see this, I have popped here the key A, which is available in my original dictionary. Hence, my updated dictionary has been curtailed to B and C because A has been removed, both key and value. But you can store the value since pop returns the value of the popped item. It stores the value which we can retrieve using a variable. Yeah. So this is how this is one of the way in which you can remove items from a dictionary. Another way you can do is through the pop item method. Now, pop item method in Python is used to remove and return the last key value pair of the dictionary. So it will only remove the key value pair which is available at the end of the dictionary. I do not need to specify which key or value key we want to remove. Yeah. So you need to, so we can remove dictionary items using pop item method by calling the method on the dictionary which removes and returns the last key value pair. Okay. So let's see an example how we can remove items from dictionary using pop item. Pop item, we'll use the same example. Yeah. But instead of pop, we'll check on pop item. And in pop item, you do not need to specify the key. So there is no parameter as such for pop item. Let's see what is the value that we get. You can see this. So by default, when you try to use the pop item method, it deletes or removes the last element within the dictionary. And it can be stored in a variable. Whereas the original dictionary will not show it because it has been removed from the dictionary. Okay. So there's a way of accessing the item as well as deleting or removing a dictionary item from a dictionary. You can also use clear method. So there is another method that is clear. Guys, the idea, you can check all this methods separately in my various videos in which I have covered this topic in detail. Over here, the main intention is to see the various ways in which we can remove items from a dictionary. Now we are checking it through clear method. So the clear method in Python is used to remove all items from the dictionary. Yeah. So it is usually used to clear all items. Let's see an example. Yeah. So I have the dictionary. I'm saying my dict dot clear. My dict is my dictionary, and clear is the method that we are using. When I try to run this method, you'll see you'll get a empty set or empty dictionary. Yeah. Since clear deletes all the items within the dictionary. Yeah. So what you have done is you will have checked how we can remove items in a dictionary using del method, pop item, clear. Lastly, we'll check how we can clear or remove items from a dictionary using comprehension. Yeah, using dictionary comprehension. Let me make it bold. So let's first understand what is comprehension. Now, dictionary comprehension is a concise way to create dictionaries in Python. It follows the same syntax as list comprehension. Okay, so if you remember the list comprehension where we had the expression, then we have the item, and then we had the iterable, which has to be comprehended. Okay, but as part of list comprehension, this particular generates dictionary instead of list. With dictionary comprehension, you can iterate over iterable objects such as list, tuples, and other dictionaries. So you can iterate over those objects like list, tuple, or dictionaries, apply an expression to each item, and construct new key value pair. Yeah. But the note that you need to remember is we cannot directly remove dictionary items using dictionary comprehension. So this is a kind of workaround. So what we do here is we are just on a conditional basis, we are ignoring certain items from a dictionary so that, yeah, so we are doing some filtering based on some condition and removing the items. So rather than removing an item, we are creating a new list. Yeah, new list with the items which fulfill the conditions. Yeah. So if you need to remove items from a dictionary based on certain conditions, you'll typically use other methods like del, pop, or pop pattern. This method allow you to explicitly specify which items to remove from the dictionary. Okay. So let's see an example of dictionary comprehension. Yeah. So suppose I have this dictionary A1, B2, and C3, our original dictionary. Yes. I'm creating a new dictionary where I am taking the key value pair for key value in my dictionary items. So all the items within my dictionary, if value is greater than 1. Yeah. And then I am printing the updated dictionary or the new dictionary which is created with only the item which I have chosen based on the condition. Let me again show you what I have done. So this is the list comprehension method where I am specifying the key value pair which has to be added into new dictionary. For each key value in the dictionary which is available here, and I'm checking the items. If any of the value within these items is greater than 1, then only it would be added to new dictionary. So ideally, if I try to see from the above dictionary, anything which is greater than 1. So this is 1 which is not greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1, and 3 is greater than 1. So these two items will be copied to the new dictionary. Let's see whether our guess is right or incorrect. Yes, so we are right. So you can see that a new dictionary has been created. We are not updating the existing dictionary. My existing dictionary is as it is. Only thing is what I'm doing is I'm removing the unwanted item based on certain conditions. So this is actually not a removing item, but ignoring those items and creating totally a new dictionary based on dictionary comprehension. Yeah. So these are the various methods in which you can remove items from dictionary, and this will be very much helpful for you to do your data analysis by removing the unwanted data. Hope you like this video. Hope you like the examples and the explanations on the various methods that are available for removing dictionary items. Do like this video uh, if you have like the content of it or the examples that you have understood from it. Do share it with your colleagues if you feel that they would like to learn Python as well. Uh, would expect some comments from you all people uh, where there is some knowledge sharing happening, or if you want to improve the contents, or if you have any feedback about the contents or the examples that have been shared. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such informative videos in detail on how to do various operations in Python. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.